Hi, I'm Jing, a Chinese teacher. For the past 1 month, I've been posting a series of videos about learning 100 most common Chinese characters within 30 days. It's very basic, but contains very necessary contents to learn Chinese as a beginner. And I'm really glad this series of video had many views and likes. And I've also got comments from viewers that it helps them to learn Chinese as a beginner. So I'm just really happy I can help. The idea of making this series of videos comes from a TV show I saw in China. In one of its programs, they had a professor from Peking University and some other exchange students as guests, and they were talking about their problems and questions learning Chinese. And the professor shared a research result that actually the 100 most common Chinese characters cover 47% of daily reading and writing. And I was quite surprised when I first heard this because Chinese is one of the hardest languages to learn in the world. But who knows, there's actually a very convenient and fast way to get the basic idea of daily used Chinese. So I started to do more research about it and prepare all the materials I need to make the video and put a lot of efforts in shooting and editing the video. So if you find it useful, like and share, okay? But due to time limitation and other objective factors, this series is relatively basic. So I am now planning on making an advanced version of 100 most common Chinese characters series. In this new series, you'll see how those 100 characters are used in certain words as another meaning. For example, as I introduced in this series, character 大 usually means big, and character 家 usually means home. But by putting those two characters together, we have a common word, 大家, but it doesn't mean big house. It means everyone. So after this new series, you'll see how those 100 characters are used in different scenes within certain words and types of sentences. And in that way, you can not only understand those characters separately when seeing them or hearing them, but become able to use them in some simple but full sentences that make sense. And I really believe it'll be a very efficient way to learn as much as Chinese as a beginner in a short time. So since I need some more time to make this new series, during this period, you can rewatch this series if you haven't quite mastered the pronunciation opinion or the basic meaning of those 100 characters. Also, I'll try to post some fun videos about life in China so you can get to know Chinese culture and China's real circumstances in some other aspects from a normal person, as opposed to... Also, if you have any questions in learning Chinese, you can send me messages or leave comments on the video. I'll try to reply. So stay tuned, okay? See you in a while.